Should you be an affiliate for GoHighLevel or start your own SaaS business? Well, I'm going to share my experience as both in this video. So stick around because I'll share my personal journey with GoHighLevel, what worked for me, what didn't, and how you can make the most of it. So GoHighLevel has exploded in popularity in the recent years, but with the growth comes also the big questions arise. So should you promote it as an affiliate or use it to build a SaaS or an agency business? So, in my opinion, there's no one size fit all answer to this question, and it really depends on your goals. But um, in this video, I'm going to share my opinion so that you can have a general understanding of the business and what would be the right choice for you to get started with GoHighLevel. So I've seen people succeed in both ways. Some make a lot of money as affiliates. I have seen many affiliates earning 5 to 6 figures promoting GoHighLevel, and they are doing this even though they don't run a SaaS or an agency. While there are others again that are thriving by doing both. They are also doing SaaS, agency, and also great success in the affiliate side of the business also. In my case, I started as an affiliate, but it didn't go as planned. I wasted a year, a whole year before I finally, found some. I won't say it's success, but a little bit of, mm, okay, a little bit of success with GoHighLevel. And honestly, I like to say that for affiliates, it's not as simple as it used to be. GoHighLevel has gotten really big, and converting people now takes more effort. So I'll talk about it in a while. In my opinion, I think GoHighLevel started as a software for agencies in around 2017 or 18, if I'm not wrong. But even till 2021 and 22, I think GoHighLevel was still, pretty new. I won't say 22 until 21, I think. And not many people knew about it. They were excited just about hearing about it for the first time, and they would, sign up for the software because it was something new presented to them with such a platform with such great features and all, and specifically dedicated to agencies and marketers. But as the platform grew, so did the competition. As I said earlier, I didn't find success as an affiliate until I decided to dive into the SaaS side. Okay, I haven't found success in the affiliate. I'll be honest with it. I haven't got a single sign up through my affiliate link. So there could be many reasons behind it, but I think the space has gotten competitive, and also I'm trying to do this the straightforward way. I'm not, you know, trying to lure vulnerable peoples into this and promote by saying you can do this easily and that. Of course, sometimes I use the titles in my videos that could attract people, but I really don't want to, don't want people that don't have experience to get started with this before knowing the truth about it. Okay. So, yeah, I learned the software inside and out. I won't say I'm an expert, but I have learned a lot about it because when it comes to GoHighLevel, there are no limits. You can make it use for any kind of business, but to learn all the ins and outs of the software, you have to work with the software in different scenarios. So it's not possible to learn the software A to Z because that's not possible. And apart from that, the GoHighLevel team always adds some new features, and we again have to figure out what we can do with those features. So, anyways, I've learned a lot about the software, and I decided a few months ago to dedicate my time to building my business as a SaaS and agency owner instead of trying to promote it as an affiliate and convert people. So I have started seeing some results in that area, that side of the business when it comes to GoHighLevel. So, and the other thing I got is Before I was a bit skeptical to promote it to other people, by saying you can start a SaaS, you can start an agency without doing it myself. But now I can share the things I'm experiencing and I'm learning through this SaaS and agency journey of myself. So here's the key truth I would like to share. Um, the truth is, people now expect affiliates to offer more value. As I suggested, when it was not that known, you could just talk about the software, create videos around it, and many agencies that were already looking for platforms and softwares that could make life easier for them. They jumped into the bandwagon easily and they signed up using your affiliate links for a little bit of info about the software and all. But now the people, anybody that wants to sign up for Go High Level using an affiliate link, they expect much more from their affiliate. For example, they expect things like free courses, communities that support and help each other. They expect support in their setup of their account and all. And now you can't just drop a link and hope for conversions anymore. In my opinion, the best thing you have to do is you have to dive into SaaS and focus on the affiliate marketing as a side business that supplements your agency. Anyways, uh, if you're someone who likes this kind of video and want to learn more about Go High Level agency, SaaS, making money online and stuff, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel grow and even boost me to create more videos, because I'm not a video kind of guy, but when I see new subscriptions and likes and all those things, uh, I get moral support to go ahead and create more videos. So yeah, so let's talk about the pros of being an affiliate, starting an affiliate business with Go High Level. The first thing is, so you can start as an individual without any business registration and things like that. And yeah, maybe you might need to, register your business later when you get big and start earning more. According to the country you are from, it might become necessary and mandatory for you to register your business. But when you're starting out, you don't need any a business license and all those things. So that's the number one benefit of starting and building an affiliate business. The second thing is, um, Go High Level is one of the best commissions when it comes to their affiliates. It's 40% recurring revenue. So here's some data about their affiliates that have been earning by promoting Go High Level. Here you can see it, 40% as long as someone sign up under you and remain customer to Go High Level. So that's a plus for the affiliates. And if we talk of the cons, like I said already, it's highly competitive now. You can't just sign up as an affiliate marketer with Go High Level and start promoting it and expect people to convert, because now more people are aware that every affiliate out there is providing something to their to the people business that signs up under their affiliate link. So it's become very highly competitive, and you'll need to offer extra value, like I said, free courses, setup help, communities, and things like that to people so that they can sign up under you. And the other thing is, the cons with being an affiliate is, if you're not using the software yourself, people can easily, know that you are not using the software yourself and you are just promoting it, and it doesn't feel authentic. So that's another cons of signing up as an affiliate. In my case, I registered with the software, I used it, I learned, and I promoted the software as an affiliate by using it. And in a year time, I lost most of my money on the subscription for Go High Level, but I didn't convert anybody as an affiliate. Anyways, I was authentic and I'm proud and happy about that. Okay, now let's talk about the starting it as a SaaS or an agency business. Okay, so here are the pros of starting as a SaaS business or an agency that provides services services alongside the software. So the first one is you have a legit business and you have full ownership of your business and you are controlling it. The other one is you are selling an actual service, an actual software, and you are not just promoting other people's link. So this is also a plus because people trust people that sell their own things in when it comes to online world and selling online and all those things. So it's a bit easier than affiliate marketing, in my opinion. And like I said, it's by starting your own business that is also registered and all those things. It builds trust easily with the people that you're promoting your services to. And since it's your platform, you can deal with anything. But if you're an affiliate, you can't just support your people that sign up under you. About the about actually working on the software. So if you are the agency owner, you can easily get support from GoHighLevel also when it comes to solving the problems in the software. So that's a plus in starting the SaaS business. Okay, here are some of the cons again. Then, first of all, it requires more effort and learning. Like in affiliate, you can just I see most of the affiliates they do is though not only in GoHighLevel but also in other the people promoting other products. They just scour the website of the software and they pick the information from the websites and just talk about it on their YouTube channel or on their blogs and all and try to convert people. It's easier that way. Of course, you'll find it difficult to convert people, but it's easier to that way. It's easier to create content around it and things like that. But with this, you'll have to actually learn the software because you're offering this software as your own software, and you'll have to deal with the support and all those things, especially when you're starting out. So it's important that you'll have to learn the software first. You'll have to learn at least the most common things that can be used inside the software. So this is the first thing I think is the downside of starting a SaaS business. And the other thing is, I'll be honest, many big affiliates and YouTubers around, I see them, they say that you can easily start this business and start getting clients within 14 days, within 30 days, but that's not the truth. The demography, the niche, and many other factors play a part in this. For example, if you are from the US or the first world countries, I think it's a bit easier for you to get clients. And in my case, I'm from India, and I don't think many people value this kind of software, and they always look for cheap services and cheap products. So it's difficult because of our demography. But still, we can't just complain that because there are other Indians out there who are selling this software to people, the businesses from the first world countries, and they are making a great, they're building a great business with it. So I'm just sharing my experience, what I'm experiencing. So not everybody's journey will be the same. When you get started as a SaaS, there might be chances that you don't get immediate success with SaaS also. But in my case, I think I didn't get any success with affiliate. But when I changed my vision towards starting my own agency in SaaS, I've started seeing some improvements in my business. And so, yeah, this is where I found my little bit of success by running my own SaaS agency. And I also gained the knowledge and credibility I needed to become a better affiliate too. Now I can at least guide people that are less knowledgeable than me and guide them towards the right direction. So I've gained it and I'm really happy with that. So here's the conclusion that I come with. The ideal path for you if you want to get started with GoHighLevel and start a business around it is by starting and building your own SaaS business. It can be a SaaS or an agency, SaaS agency. And after that, after gaining some knowledge about the software, the industry itself, how it works, and being genuine and learning about this platform, the marketing side of it, getting clients and all. And after that, I think you should, look into the affiliate part of it. So, as you can see, a few years ago, it was easier not only in GoHighLevel but other online businesses too. It was easier to fool people, but now it's not the same People are smart nowadays. They have understood the game of online world, making money online and all those stuff. So be genuine, promote the software in a genuine way. So that's what I think you should be doing if you want to get started. And yeah, by the way, if you have been thinking of starting a SaaS with GoHighLevel for some time, um, I think now is the best time to get started. So this is just a small promotion here because now the season of AI promo is going on. Now where the GoHighLevel team has opened the gates to free usage of AI. So what do I mean by that is they have, packaged all the AI features inside their software and packaged it into a single, feature called AI employee that consists of 6 different features. So, and to promote that, they are giving it to the customers, the AI feature for free till December 31st. So I think it's the best time to get started with Go High Level. And if you would like to know more about the AI features, the AI employee, and what is season of I talked about it in my previous video. You can check the video in the card above, or I'll also leave the link to the video in the description below. And yeah, if you're ready and want to get started right away, then one more promotion here, use my affiliate link. It will also be in the description. And like I said, I will help you set up your account. And there's also a community that I'm building for my affiliates. There are other people in there that are not my affiliate, but I'm building a special one only for my affiliates where I'll try to answer all your questions. I'll try to help you all get started with Go High Level. You don't have to start an agency. If you want to use it for your business also, you can sign up using my affiliate link, and I'll guide you through the setup, and I'll guide you through the process, through the strategy that you can use the software for your business also. So that's it for this video. Like I said, there's no one size fit answer for this question. You can also sign up as an affiliate if you think you can do good in it, and also start a SaaS business with it if you want to. Like I said, I just shared my experience and shared what I thought would be beneficial and helpful for you. And if you want to see how to set up your account in Go High Level and start a SaaS business, check out the next video.